What's going on, everybody? It's your girl Chanel Stevens, and I'm back again with another video. And in this video, you can see I'm out on the lake right now. Took my kayak out. This is just something I like to do in my free time. The lake is empty, and this is what I really enjoy about having a system and having a business like CPA marketing, where I really don't have to work hard in my business. I can literally live life on autopilot. In this video, I want to talk about the secret to living, because it is a secret to it. It is a certain attitude, a certain mindset that you need behind it. One thing about living this type of lifestyle is you have to have a system in place for your business. The truth of the matter is things can go wrong inside business, especially with CPA marketing. When it comes to CPA marketing, you can get your ad accounts banned, you can get offers pulled and stuff like that. You may have to switch your offers out. Your traffic might not even get accepted. You might be having a successful campaign, and then they say, hey, we don't like the traffic, don't send us any more of that, and pull you off of the offer. So many things can go wrong. So you have to be willing to overcome hurdles. You have to be willing to know how to basically bounce back, start from scratch. And how I'm able to live like this year after year after year in this industry is because I know how to bounce back. I have a system for how I do everything, as far as launching my ads, getting traffic. Everything is a certain process. I teach it inside my mobile academy, the specific processes. But at the end of the day, this is what life is all about. Right now, it's 1:52 Wednesday. A lot of people are at work right now. A lot of people, they got to go to that 9 to 5. And I know what that's like. I did that 9 to 5 grind. I did the grind of, oh, I'm going to just wake up at 8, get to work at 9, work there till 6. Yeah, I used to work 9 to 6. It was crazy. Literally 30-minute lunch. I don't even think they gave me an hour lunch. It was something crazy, right? And then I had another type of job where I was at a warehouse. I worked 4 p.m. to 12 a.m. So I literally would be at work all day. I'll be just now getting ready to go to work. I'll wake up late. So by the time 4 o'clock hit, I ain't really had time to do nothing. I only got 3-4 hours. I never could find time to do anything. So this is what life is all about. Doing what you want to do when you want to do it. When you don't have a job, when you're not tied down to an office. But what allows me to do this is pretty much the systems that I set up in place for my business, for CPA marketing, right? So the secret to this freedom, this success, is having a system. You want a system. But a lot of people, they ready to quit their job. They ready to just live the life they want to live, how they want to live it. No 9 to 5, no boss. You want that type of life, but it's like you still lacking that system. You don't know what to do day in, day out to get the results that you want out of life. And I'm trying to show you clear ways where if you just follow those processes day in, day out, this is the type of life you can live. I've been going on this lifestyle 7 years and almost 8 years, really. And how have I been able to be so consistent? Y'all see the jet ski coming. You'll probably see them pass. But I've been consistent because I have a system in place, right? I have a process that I follow with these ad networks, right? I have a process that I follow when it comes to creating landing pages. I have a process if I get a banned ad account. I have a process for if I lose out on the offer, I switch my offer. Hold on. All right, so jet skis going that way. Just wanted to make sure I didn't get hit. But I have a system that I use for everything inside my business. So it allows me to live a life of freedom, allows me to live a life on autopilot. And that's why you always see me out living life, traveling, and you just like, how do I do that? You have to follow the systems. Whether you're inside my mobile academy, whether you're somebody who just watches my videos, follow along with those videos, right? Do what I'm saying, because I'm showing you a way to get freedom for yourself. I'm showing you the systems. I'm showing you the tools I use, everything. If you follow along, get results for yourself. I know it's scary. I know it's scary when you got a dead-end job and you spend $50, $100, $200. I know it's scary. I know it's scary. But if you want to make 6 figures online, but you scared to spend $500, you got to look at money in the grand scale of things. What I'm saying is, If you want to live a life of freedom, it's going to take a lot of commitment on your end, right? It's going to take a lot of dedication because, like I said, when you spend money, it's scary. It's scary being like, wait, so you want me to invest $1,000 in the data? You want me to invest $500 into data, and there's no guarantee that this data is going to produce anything profitable for me? There's no promises, there's no guarantee, it's no 100% money back guarantee. When life is like that, it's scary for a lot of people, especially if you're used to that 9-to-5 life. Because when you're used to that 9-to-5 life, what do? You get paid every Friday, or you get paid every other Friday, or you get paid the 15th or the 30th, or just once a month on the 1st. It's a different type of pay periods, but people get used to that stuff, right? People get used to that guaranteed way of making money, so it's hard to switch your mindset to the abundance way of thinking, a prosperity way of thinking, to where you can make money whether you work a job or not. I'm living proof. I used to work them jobs. I used to apply. I used to have to go to work. I just told you that. But what changed it for me? What changed it for me was my way of thinking, and then realizing that, yes, all I need is a system. All I need is a way to feel as much guarantee in my life as possible. It may not be guaranteed, but what can I do to kind of guarantee it? What can I do to give myself a better chance at making this happen for myself? And that's when I learned, okay, I need to run some ads. I need to have some paid traffic. So I got some paid traffic. I figured out marketing stuff. I learned from marketers. I studied the greats. I followed the Frank Kerns and the Tony Robbins. I changed my mindset. I started listening to Jim Rohn. I started just learning as much as I can, learning Facebook ads, taking courses. Probably took 100 courses, took so many courses, it don't make no sense. I was on the forums. I was inside Warrior Forum. I was taking Warrior Forum courses at one point in time. That's how desperate I was for some information. It was literally clicking inside a Warrior Forum product, hoping I'll change my life. If you don't know what Warrior Forum is, don't even worry about it. But if you're a true older affiliate, you know what I'm talking about. I used to be on all that. Black Hat World. I started Black Hat. I said, I was desperate for this life. I was desperate to not have to work my 9-to-5. Are you desperate? Are you not even saying be desperate? Because not desperate in a way to where it's like, oh, I spent $50. I gotta make this? Not that type of desperate. I'm talking about, I wanted this bad. You know how every time I say as bad as you want to breathe, I wanted to be free. I wanted to have money. I wanted to travel. I wanted to be able to just do whatever at any time of day. It's 2 o'clock. I wanted to be able to kayak. This is what I'm doing. Like, this is how life is truly meant to be lived. Doing what you want when you want. But you have to have a system. You need things to pretty much be on autopilot, because even if you can't just say, oh, start a business, because some businesses you might have to be present. Some businesses you got to be on the phone all day. Some businesses you got to be on a meeting, you got to be in the Zoom all day. Now I have some businesses like that, private coaching, stuff like that, but I only offer it sometimes. So now all my time is dedicated to just helping people and stuff like that. I still have to have time for myself, and that's why I love a business like CPA, because it gives you so much time to yourself where you're able to live a life of freedom. Whew. It's hot, sweating and stuff. So I'll check back in with you. Inside Dick's right now, picking up some new shoes for the summer. I also need to do some clothes shopping. Also looking for some gym shoes. I don't really see nothing right now though. Not seeing really nothing. It's getting to soccer. I don't know. I don't really see nothing I'm really feeling besides what I got already. So I think I'm gonna stick to the classic all whites. You already know how I like to do it if you've been following the channel for a while. They also got a Nike section over here. I need to get some socks for sure. For sure. So I'm gonna get some socks. Let's see what they got. Alright, so I'm size 7, so I need that small. Yep, perfect. I don't really wear white socks like that, so I'm not gonna get no white socks. I was thinking about copping one of these little WNBA type shorts. They kind of fire. I think they like women's shorts. They kind of fire. They got like some jerseys and stuff over there. Not really into that. Probably just gonna cop a pair of shorts. I got me some shoes, some socks. Thinking I want to go with the white on black. I feel like that's basic, so I kind of want to do these because they different. Hold on. We got one hand because I'm holding the camera. Let's see what size. So small is good. So I'm over here at the Adidas section now. Trying to see what I can see. Not really seeing too much on Adidas part. Come on, Adidas. They've been kind of falling off. I ain't gonna lie. I am not gonna lie. They got some Nike over here. Yeah, I'm not really seeing too much. That's all I'm gonna grab up out of here. I don't really see too much. Just go ahead and head to the register. I don't know. These bitches look kind of. These look kind of nice. I like these shorts. These on the way to the register. I like wearing pink a little bit. I think I'm gonna grab these pink ones. Little pink shorts. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna grab these as well. Head to the register.
Got you 277.71.
All right.
You want your receipt printed, emailed, or both?
Emailed. Thank you. Alright, so I'm gonna try out a smoothie. I was gonna get an acai bowl. I'm really not starving, so I'm gonna just grab one of these. I think this Be Jolly one right here. I like peanut butter, so yeah, I'm gonna try that one. I'm just in Mall of Georgia right now, shopping and grabbing something to drink, eat. But after this, I'll check back in with y'all. All right, so I just got my smoothie, and I'm actually upset because if you see here, it says up front plus parking. So you can park, excuse me, up front, but you gotta just pay, which I wouldn't have mind. I would have loved to park right here, but I gotta walk all across this whole parking lot. It's a nice Escalade thing, big body. It look like a bus. But yeah, I gotta walk all across this whole thing. But now that I know that I'm gonna park right there. I never came to this entrance stub. This is gonna be my new entrance because I love parking up close. So I'm back home from the mall. Finished my smoothie already that quick on the drive home, but show you what I got. Just got some of these pink shorts. I don't know, I just think these shorts is fire. I like them different bright colorways. I wear a lot of black, so sometimes I gotta stand out so I don't be too boring. But these are nice little summer shorts. The little Nike Fly shorts, little WNBA style. See the all white joints. Of course, summer essentials. Go with everything. Always gotta have a fresh pair. When summer comes or when that fresh spring season comes, got some socks, some Nike Pros for the gym. And yeah, so that's what I got from the mall. I actually was going to record another video today, but as you can see, you did not get the video to 100 likes. Let me see if I can get it to focus. It's only 73 likes on this CPA grip video. So I'm not going to do another video or update or anything like that because you didn't hit the like goal. Maybe next time when I say, hey, you want to update video, 100 likes, or maybe I didn't say it in the beginning of the video. I don't know if that made a difference, but yeah, I'm not even gonna worry about that. I'm probably gonna upload this vlog and like a little day in the life. I gave you a little talk at the lake, so you know that's gonna be this video, and then I'll come back with some more value. So subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Make sure you hit that like button, show this video some love, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.